All right, next, number 4, evaluate the given using the following combinations. All right, so I got x is -3, so remember these are just inputs. 6 times -3 over 6 squared. 6 times -3 is -18. 6 squared is 36. And then if I simplify, I can divide those both by 2. Or excuse me, divide those both by themselves. 36 divided by 18 is 2. So it simplifies to -1/2. All right, part B, same idea. 6 times 6 over -3 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. -3 squared is +9. +9, which gives me 4. All right. Make sure when you're inputting this in your calculator, all right, I can't emphasize this enough, that you're using parentheses for the -3 squared, unless you know that it is 9. Don't worry about it. Excuse me, 1 second. All right, simplify the following. So I have a binomial, so 2 terms divided by a monomial, 1 term. Okay, so I want to split this. Split this as 6x over 3 plus 12 over 3. And then simplify each individually. So 6 over 3 is 2x. 12 over 3 is 4. That's it. Same idea. Split it. 5x over 7 minus 14 over 7. I can't simplify 5x over 7, so I just leave that. But 14 over 7 I can to 2. Let's keep going. I'm flying. Undo the distributive property. So I got to figure out, all right, what factor that looks like, so x minus 8 is a factor. I need to figure out the other factor that will give me -8x here, a -24 here. Okay. Well, what I have to think about, all right, well, obviously I have -8 here, so whatever I multiply here has to be an x. There has to be another x included because this is x squared. So my other factor starting off is x. If I have a -24, well, -24 divided by -8, the negatives cancel out, it's +3. So that tells me this must be +3, which would give me a 3x there. Okay, so my missing factor is this left side there, x plus 3 is the missing factor. All right, I can test that out. 3 times -8 gives me -24. X times -8 gives me -8x. So it is x plus 3. Simplify again. I'm going to do this one, then I'll pause it. Okay. Simplify now. In this one, in these two, we're just combining our like terms. All right, we're combining our like terms. Okay, but we have to be careful with this negative. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to distribute the negative and change the signs. So this becomes plus. So remember, we can think about this as a -1 here. All right, I'm going to make it positive and just flip all my signs now. That way I can. So I have 2x squared and a positive 5x squared to give me 7. I have a 3x and a positive 6x to give me. I have 1 minus 6 to give me -5. Okay. I'm going to do that again. Same thing over here. Change this to a plus and flip the signs of all of these. So I have a 4x squared and a -2x squared. So I have positive 2x squared. I have 3x minus 7x to give me -4x. I have -5 minus 5, which is -10. Forgot to circle. Should I keep going? How many have I done? I did 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good.